Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are keeping it simple and real. I'm about to go to work, but I wanted to share a few things today that I put on my eyes. And I used the new Morphe palettes, the 35M and 35S. This is the 35M with all the mattes. This is the 35S with the shimmers. I still have not gotten the 35O. For some reason, my brain was telling me that it was the same as one of these, but it's not. But I love these. Not only are they affordable, but they're every kind of color you can imagine to make just a beautiful eye. You can go super neutral and brown. You can go orange. You can go burgundy. You could go even a little like brown jungle. You can go gold. I mean, you could do so many eye looks with these palettes, and I am in love, and I love them so much, and I'm so glad to have them. I know that they had run out, I think, already on stocking issue, but I think they're gonna have them back in stock very soon. I would definitely get my hands on them. I purchased them as a bundle, and I think it was, I want to say like $43 maybe and change. I forget exactly, but I do think that they're so worth the money. Like I said, you can create so much with them, and I'm very happy and very pleased. If you want to see how I created this eye look today for you, then just keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick eye look. It was really simple and easy, and I do mean quick, so I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.